Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenley. Today I'm going to create a look using the Cosmic Brushes The Sun palette. This is such a beautiful palette. This is the color story. It's bright, warm, and beautiful. A little bit about this palette. I'm gonna read the description from the Cosmic Brushes website. It says, there couldn't be a more fitting season to celebrate the Sun Tarot, representing joy, positivity, and abundance. This card inspired a color story of vibrancy, warmth, and light. And of course, we couldn't create a sun-themed palette without offering the shades to create sunset looks. I am so ready to play with this palette. So if you're interested in seeing the look that I will create using this palette, then stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment down below letting me know if you like this look. All right, let's get started. So I already have my Milani eyeshadow primer on my lids. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Beacon right here, this orange shade, and I'm using this Blend Bunny Cosmetics what? I'm using the Blend Bunny Cosmetics B1 brush, and it looks like this. So I'm gonna go in with that shade Beacon, and I'm gonna apply it in my outer corner. And just build that pigment or that color. So I have this shape going on. It's like I would say a cat eye effect. I'm going to clean it up with a makeup towel so it doesn't matter if it's not even. So I'm moving on to the next shade, and the next shade that I'm going to use is Leo. This one right here, this orange. This lighter orange, I would say. And I'm taking an e.l.f. detail crease brush. It looks like this. And I'm going to apply Leo on the inner portion of the crease, meeting with the other shade I got going on, like so. Just 1 minute. Ooh, it's blending out so well. I like it. This is what I got going on so far. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Energy right here, this color right here, this yellow. And I'm taking a Morphe M506 brush. It looks like this. And I'm going to take that color. I'm diffusing the red and the orange. And also applying this shade as a highlight color. Now I'm going to apply my NYX glitter glue all over the area of my lids that are bare. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Abundance, this one right here. And apply that on my lid with my finger. Ooh, look at that. That's so pretty. What do you guys think of this shimmer? It's beautiful, I think. Alright, I'm gonna get off camera, do the complexion. I'll come back and do the lower lash line and the inner corner highlight. For the lower lash line, I'm going to use this shade Enlightened, this one right here. And I'm taking a Blend Bunny Cosmetics B3 brush, and it looks like this. This is like a little peach color. Then for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the shade Happiness, this one right here. I'm going to take that on my pinky. Oh, look at that. So sparkly and pretty. Oh, so pretty. That is stunning. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put on mascara. For mascara, I use the highly rated Fan Club Fanning Mascara. This is by Milani. And this is how the wand looks like. It's curved. I like it. I like this mascara so far. I keep reaching for it, so I really do like it. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty and shimmery. I really like Cosmic Brushes or Cosmic Beauty's formula. I think the shimmers are super impactful. The mattes blend so well, and I really like it. And I was wondering, do you guys like 3 looks in one video, or do you like one video with one look? Let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Adios. Bye.